Hey, I thought I'd just do an update on my truck. As you can see, not much has changed, but I took the hubcaps off and the beauty rings around it. And while I was seeing my dad up in South Carolina, I got my exhaust done. And I think it came out pretty good. Let's see. Flowmaster. Oh, well, you can't really see it, but Flowmaster 40s. But, oh, sorry. But not much has changed. Next is the leveling kit and new shocks, because while you're going down the road, it goes whoa. Just sick of it. New headlights eventually, because but other than that, truck's doing good. It's the 318 5.2 liter. And I've had them on there for a while now, so they're pretty broken in. It's just true tools, so inside's still the same. I'm thinking about getting a light bar and putting it up here. They just cost so much. Just don't know right now. Yeah, let me crank it up for you guys. It's a cold start. Out this morning, so thank you for watching.